This is a C-size battery spacer by EBL. And what this is it's a plastic case that you can insert AA batteries into, and now you can replace C-size batteries with AA batteries. If you're using rechargeable batteries like I am, this is going to save you a lot of money. Now, as you can see here, this says for all AA batteries. And what that means is you don't have to use the EBL brand of batteries. As you can see here, I have 5 different brands of rechargeable batteries. And I've tested all of these and they all work fine, but there's one thing I'd like to point out. Most of these batteries have a little indentation here at the top, and it's that indentation that snaps into these clips. So when I put this in, you'll hear it snap into place. And now it's firmly in there and it won't fall out. Now, that little indentation exists on all of these batteries with the exception of this one. This one's perfectly smooth, so there's nothing to snap into. And that means it freely slides back and forth inside this spacer. And I wasn't sure if that was going to be an issue or not, but it turns out that it makes it a little more awkward to get this into the device, but once it's in, the device holds the battery in place, so it doesn't really matter. Now, the last thing that I think is important to note is that a AA battery holds roughly half as much energy as a C-size battery does. And that means it's going to last half as long. Now, whether or not that's an issue for you, I think it's going to depend on the kinds of devices that you're putting these in. In my case, I'm putting these in Halloween decorations, and they're just running 4 LED lights. So frankly, 2 C-size batteries is way overkill. And now that I've replaced the C's with AA's, mine still run for weeks, which is perfectly okay with me.